Hello everyone, welcome to my next video. In this video, we are going to study about one more DML command, that is select command. Children, select command, it is used to retrieve data from the table on the basis of certain condition, or we can say the select statement is used to pull information from a table. The syntax of select command is select, what to select, from which table, where, condition to satisfy. It can be used in many forms, like for selecting all data, for selecting particular record, for selecting particular columns, for eliminating redundant data, for performing simple calculations, conditions based on a range, condition based on a list, conditions based on pattern matches, and searching for null values. Now we are going to study one by one. Firstly, for selecting all data. Children, for selecting all data from the table, you just need to specify asterisk with the select command or all clause with the select command. For example, you want to select all data from employee table, then you may write in the following manner. Select asterisk from employee, or you can write as select all from employee. Now for selecting particular record, if you want to select particular rows from a table, then you can make use of where clause with select command. For example, suppose you want to retrieve only those records where grade is A, you may write as select asterisk from employee where grade is equal to A. A is enclosed in single quote because grade is a character data type. Always remember children, character or varchar data type always enclosed in single quote, as well as grade data type is also enclosed in single quote. Now for selecting particular columns. Children, if you want to select particular rows from a table, then you can make use of where clause with select command. For example, suppose you want to retrieve only particular columns like EMPID, ename from the employee table. Then you can write in the following manner, select EMPID, ename from employee table. One more thing I want to tell regarding for selecting particular record, you can also make use of logical operator like AND or operator for more than one criteria specified. Example, suppose you want to retrieve those records from employee table where sex is male and grade is B. Then you may write in the following manner, select asterisk from employee where sex is equal to M, M stand for male, and grade is equal to B. Both the values are character values, that's why these are enclosed in single quotes. One more thing you have to note here, that AND operator is used when both conditions are satisfied, and OR operator is used when either of the condition is satisfied. Now, for eliminating redundant data. By default, data is selected from all the rows of the table, even if the data appearing in the result gets duplicated. For removing duplicate rows from the result, we can make use of distinct clause along with select statement. For example, suppose you want to display distinct gross from employee table, then you can give command as select distinct. In bracket you have to write the gross from employee. Is that clear, children? Now next one is for performing simple calculation. You can also perform simple calculation with select command. Suppose you want to calculate 10% of gross from employee table, then you can write select 0.10 into gross from employee. Next, conditions based on a range. The between operator defines a range of values that the column values must fall into make the conditions true. The range includes both lower value and upper value. For example, to list the details of those employees whose gross lies between 2000 to 5000, the command would be select asterisk from employee where gross between 2000 and 5000. Remember one thing here, children, both lower range and upper range are inclusive along with between operator. Now condition based on a list. To specify a list of values, in operator is used. The in operator selects values that match any value in a given list of values. For example, to display a list of employee from Delhi, Mumbai or Kanpur, then you may write select asterisk from employee where city in Delhi, Mumbai, Kanpur. In the similar way, not in operator finds rows that do not match in the list. For example, to display a list of employees who are living in cities other than Delhi and Mumbai, then you can give command as select asterisk from employee where city not in Delhi, Mumbai. Is that clear? Now the condition based on pattern matches. SQL also includes a string matching operator like for comparison on character string using patterns. Patterns are described using two special wildcard characters, that is %. % is used for matching any substring and underscore. Underscore is used to match any character. The like keyword is used to select rows containing columns that match a wildcard pattern. We can understand it with the help of an example. Suppose you want to list those employees whose name starts with alphabet A. Then you can write in this manner select asterisk from employee where ename like A%. A% will be written in single quotes because it is a pattern and pattern is just like a string. So we will write it in single quotes. Is that clear? Now we take another example also. Suppose you want to list those employees whose name third letter is A, then you can write select asterisk from employee where ename like bracket underscore A%. That means the begin two letters or anything else, but the third letter is A. Now searching for null values. The null value in a column can be searched for in a table using is null in the where clause. For example, to list details of all employees whose grade contains null, that is no value, you use the command select asterisk from employee where grade is null. Remember children, relational operators like less than, greater than, equal to, etc. cannot be used with null. In the similar way, non-null values in a table can be like using is null operator. Now that's all for our day. Stay with us for the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.